In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to design this beautiful logo mockup. Now, I discovered how to do this yesterday. I was just, testing some things, and I found out that I could actually do something as cool as this on PixelLab that I did this mockup. You can see there's another one. Here is another one. Here is another one. Here is another one. Here is another one. I want to show you how you can design mockups like this, beautiful mockups like this. So don't even leave this video, because you'll be learning a lot. Stay with me as I show you how to do this. Besides, if it's your first time on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button right now, like this video, and leave a comment. Share your thoughts in the comment section. Anyway, let us get started. So the first thing I did was to download the background. This mockup background you are seeing here, it is a tech it is a tech texture. Just go to freepik.com. Go to freepik.com and type tech texture or tech background. That is TECH background, TECH texture. Type it on Freepik, and then you find so many similar backgrounds like this you can download for free. So I downloaded this. I came to my PixelLab, and the first thing I did was to use it as my background. So I clicked on this 3 dots, and then I clicked on use image from gallery. And then I chose it. I inserted this as my background. So I'm doing it right here so you can see exactly how it works. So yeah, I came to download, and look at it. So this is just the background. You can see it. So now I have my background here, and then I would use it now. I would insert it. Boom. So now the next thing is, how do I insert my logo here and make it a mockup? Now you already have your logo. Let's assume you already have your logo. What you want to do is to remove the logo from the background, using photo room. Don't forget, I'm not going to be doing that yet, because that's a very minor step, and most of the people who have been following my videos, you already know how to use photo room. So I'm going to show you a quick logo that I used, that I removed, that I worked on with photo room from gallery. So we have a logo here for a couple of logos. So we have let me go to photo room. So let's say we have this. You can see there is no background. I've already erased the background of the logo using photo room. That's why you can see the watermark here. So I'm just going to crop it like this, insert it. So I have the logo right here. This is the logo itself. So I'll resize this to the size I want, and then I'll take it to the center. Boom. You can see that's exactly how I want it to be. So now that I've inserted the logo, what's the next step? The next step is to change the color, is to determine the background, the color of the background. Now we already have this background color. Don't forget. Let me lock this logo up. We already have this background. You understand? But sometimes we might need to manipulate the color a little bit, to change it, let it look cooler than it is. So right now you can see it has a shade of blue. So sometimes you can decide to make it like a shade of red, or a shade of purple, or a shade of green or orange. To do that, click on this, then scroll to where you have hue, click on hue, then simply slide it to adjust the color. So you can see changing from red, we have purple, we have blue, we have green. You see, just like this. So we can decide that, okay, we want to use let's say red, like this, and then we click OK, and then it's time to change the color of our logo. So click on our logo right now, and go to color and change the color to white. But sometimes we might not even use a pure white. Sometimes I don't like to use pure white for this. I'll come to gradient, click on the plus sign and add white and a little bit of red, slight red. So I have red here. I'm just going to add this. So it's even going to look like pink, not even red. So you can see we have this shade of red or pink or whatever you want to call it. And then we have the white. So we're going to choose, let's say we're going to use this. We're going to shade it like this. And I'll just click OK. So you can see what we have here, So instead of pure white like this, we're using this. It blends. Then we're going to scroll here and add shadow. Click on shadow. So we're going to the blur radius. We can reduce it to, let's say, it's 10 perfect. I don't know if 10 is perfect. Let's say 7. Then we're going to scroll, adjust these ones as well. The offset X should be 3, offset Y 3. We click OK. Now boom, we have this. We're almost done with this logo. In fact, we are done. We just need to enhance the color a bit. So I'm going to save this right now. Save it. Then now follow me to Snapseed. We're going to come to Snapseed. Snapseed. Yes. So the reason I'm using Snapseed is to enhance the color, so we have this. You can see. So I'm just going to click on tools, go to tune image, then I'll adjust the brightness. I'll add some brightness. I'll go click on contrast. I'll slide my hand just to add it, and then I'll click on saturation, add some saturation. You can see how this looks. Ambience, I can add ambience, you can see, or I'll reduce it. Anyhow, I'm just going to add a little bit of ambience. Yeah, I think this is perfect. Then the highlight, I can reduce or increase highlights depending on what I want, but I think it's perfect like this. Then shadow, I'll add shadow a little bit. Slide your hand. Perfect. Then I'll click this and our mockup is ready, and I love it. I love how it looks. You can see, you can't tell me this is not beautiful. You can't tell me this is not beautiful. Just look at this. We're going to click on export, click on save, view. This is amazing. So check this out, like try it, and then come back to the comments and let me know if you were able to do it, if you're able to pull it off or not. I'm interested in seeing how my students or my subscribers, my viewers are actually learning from me. So try this out and let me know what you think. And if you think it's an amazing idea, if you think it's beautiful, let me know in the comments. Share your thoughts in the comments. I can't wait to hear from you. Bye bye.